Yo, free weights or machines? Which one's really better? By the end of this, you'll know for sure. It's a fight that's been going on in every gym forever, and today we end it. I'm Coach Ray, and trust me, this breakdown is about to change how you train. From zero to expert, nothing gets left out. Grab a seat. Let's go step by step. Here's the game plan. Pros, cons, mistakes, safety, the whole playbook. Everything you need to finally pick the right tool for your goals. Let's kick it off simple. What actually counts as a free weight? No rails, no guides, just you, gravity, and pure control. Dumbbells, barbells, kettlebells, the holy trinity of free weight training. Each one hits your body a little differently, and that variety is a superpower. Now flip the script. Machines lock your motion into one safe, guided lane. No wobble, no guessing. The machine tells your body exactly where to go. Cable towers, plate stacks, pin machines, different shapes, same idea. Every build is different, but they're all built for one thing: controlled safety. Free Weight Pro number 1. Your body moves the way nature actually designed it to. No forced angles here. Your joints do what feels right, naturally. Pro number 2. Free weights wake up every tiny stabilizer muscle you didn't know you had. That's what keeps you upright, balanced, and injury-proof long-term. Pro number 3. This is strength you can actually use outside the gym. Carrying groceries, moving furniture. This is where free weights pay off big. Pro number 4. Versatility. One dumbbell, endless exercises, zero excuses. Full body, minimal gear. That's the free weight flex. But here's the catch. Technique takes real time and effort to master. Sloppy form isn't a shortcut. It's a setback waiting to happen. Con number 2. One careless rep with heavy weight can wreck your whole week. Injuries don't warn you first. They just show up. Con number 3. Go heavy alone, and you're rolling the dice without a spotter. Safety net matters more than ego every single time. Machines flip the game. Pro number 1 is straight up safety, no debate. That locked path means the weight stays exactly where it's supposed to. Pro number 2, machines are the ultimate beginner-friendly on-ramp. Sit, adjust, lift, zero guesswork, instant confidence. Pro number 3, dial in on one muscle with laser-sharp isolation. No cheating, no compensating, just pure targeted growth. Pro number 4, progressive overload has never been this effortless. Slide the pin up, and boom, you're already progressing. But here's the trade-off. Stabilizer muscles barely get a workout here. The machine's doing half the balancing job for you. Con number 2, that one path doesn't always fit your body's blueprint. Every joint, every limb length, we're all wired a little differently. Con number 3, machine strength doesn't always show up in real life. Pushing a door isn't quite the same as pushing a machine handle. So which one actually fires up more muscle? Let's settle it right now. Spoiler, free weights usually win when it comes to total muscle recruitment. Raw strength battle, free weights take the crown, hands down. More fibers, more stabilizers firing, more total power output. Muscle size, though? Honestly, it's basically a tie. Push hard on either one and your muscles will respond. Calories torched? Compound free weight lifts usually burn hotter. More muscles working together means your body's working overtime. So who should start on machines? Beginners, hands down, every time. Learn control first. The heavy stuff can wait a little. Who should chase free weights hard? Anyone hunting real, raw strength. Real resistance builds real strength. There's no shortcut around that. Rehabbing an injury? Machines are your safest, smartest bet. Controlled, predictable, easy to manage while your body heals up. Building a home gym? Free weights win, no contest. Cheaper, compact, and endlessly versatile. Perfect for small spaces. Got a full commercial gym? Then use every single tool available. Variety is a gift. Don't waste it by sticking to just one thing. Mistake number 1, and it's a big one. Ego lifting will humble you fast. Heavy too soon is a one-way ticket to the physio's office. Mistake number 2, getting lazy with form just because the machine's safe. Safe equipment still needs sharp technique. Don't skip that step. Mistake number 3, completely ignoring stabilizer training if you're machine only. That hidden weakness catches up with you eventually. Trust me. Mistake number 4, staying loyal to one method for years straight. Your body adapts fast, and stubborn routines stall progress hard. Safety tip number 1. Never skip the warm-up before you load up heavy. Just 5 minutes preps your whole body to perform and protect itself. Safety tip number 2. Spotter or safety pins every heavy lift, no exceptions. One small setup step could save you from a very bad day. Safety tip number 3. Always adjust the machine to fit your body first. A few seconds of tweaking saves you weeks of unnecessary strain. One last thing. Always know your limits. Ego has zero business being anywhere near a loaded barbell. Here's my real, honest answer. This was never either or to begin with. The smartest lifters blend both on purpose every single week. Let me hand you a simple hybrid split you can start using today. Machines for isolation days, free weights for your big compound lifts. Quick money talk. Free weights are usually way cheaper long-term. Less space, less cost, way more bang for your buck. Bonus round. Free weights often give you a bigger, freer range of motion. Machines help too, though. They keep your mind locked on the target muscle. Long-term, free weights build real-world balance and coordination. Machines shine for fast supersets. Quick switches, zero wasted time. Athletes and sports performance? Free weights are nearly unbeatable here. But machines still crush it when fixing one specific weak point. Combine both and plateaus practically stop existing. And always listen to your body. Pain is a warning, not a badge. At the end of the day, consistency beats the perfect tool every time. So, which is actually better? It depends completely on your goal. And now you know exactly how to make that call for yourself. Quick recap. Natural movement versus rock-solid safety and control. Versatility versus isolation. Raw strength versus rock-steady stability. Train smart, stay consistent. The results will follow, guaranteed. No more gym floor debates, no more confusion, just real results now. If this hit different for you, smash that like button right now. Subscribe for more and tell me below, team free weights or team machines? See you in the next one, champs. Now go train smart out there.